What if I told you that you can produce a TikTok video in just 30 seconds inside the TikTok app itself? Yes, have you tried using the AutoCut feature in TikTok? Say, let me show you exactly how you can produce fast and engaging videos using the TikTok app alone. First, go to TikTok app and then upload some videos or pictures. So you can choose multiple or just 2 or 3 pictures or a mixture of pictures and videos. So after you select, you go to down there. Can you see auto cut? Okay, so you press auto cut and then it will auto cut according to the music and the beat of the music to a specific template. So if you can notice here, right, if you like this, then you continue. If you don't like it, go to templates and choose another one. Okay, let's press this one, try this one and see. Okay, what about this? Do you like this template? Okay, if you don't, okay, now let's try again. Okay, if you keep trying, and whichever music or beat or style that you like, until the one that you chosen. Okay, if this one you like it, so this is the final one. You go and press save on the top upper corner there. Okay, so at there, once you press save, okay, so then you can type in your captions, put in your hashtags and just post it. Hope this video has helped you to learn something new. So this is Kong, TikTok specialist that has helped a lot of my students and my clients to increase their sales and their views on TikTok. So help me by following this account and sharing this video to those of your friends who need it.